Why volunteering at an animal shelter can make a big impact. Volunteering at an animal shelter is a rewarding experience that benefits not only the animals, but also the volunteers themselves. These shelters provide a safe haven for homeless pets, offering them food, medical care, and most importantly, a chance to find a loving home. By dedicating time and effort to these shelters, volunteers play a crucial role in improving the lives of countless animals while also experiencing personal growth and fulfillment. Helping homeless pets in need. Animal shelters are often overwhelmed with the number of stray, abandoned, and surrendered pets that come through their doors. Without enough staff to provide individual attention to each animal, volunteers step in to offer much-needed care. Whether it's walking dogs, socializing with shy cats, or assisting in daily cleaning routines, every small effort helps create a more comfortable and loving environment for homeless pets. Volunteering at an animal shelter ensures that these pets receive the attention, affection, and stimulation they need while they wait for their forever homes. Supporting pet adoption efforts. One of the biggest goals of animal shelters is to facilitate pet adoption, ensuring that rescued animals find loving families. Volunteers contribute to this process in various ways, from grooming animals for adoption events to taking photos and writing profiles for social media. Additionally, they help potential adopters by answering questions about specific animals and guiding them through the adoption process. A positive impact on the community. Beyond benefiting the animals, volunteering at an animal shelter also strengthens the community. It brings together like-minded individuals who care about animal welfare and encourages a culture of compassion and responsibility. Many shelters also run outreach programs where volunteers educate the public about responsible pet ownership, spaying and neutering, and how to reduce pet homelessness. Personal growth and emotional rewards. While the primary focus of volunteering at an animal shelter is helping animals, volunteers also gain immensely from the experience. Spending time with animals has been shown to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Many volunteers develop new skills, such as animal handling, teamwork, and communication, which can be beneficial in various aspects of life. More importantly, the joy of seeing a once-neglected pet thrive and eventually find a loving home is an incredibly fulfilling experience. Volunteering at an animal shelter is a powerful way to make a difference. If you're looking for a way to give back, consider spending some time at your local shelter. You might just change a life, including your own.